Welcome to our comparison of the Amazon Echo Show 21 and the Amazon Fire TV 32-inch. In today's video, we will explore how these two devices cater to different needs in your home. The Echo Show 21, with its large Full HD display, serves as a smart hub for organization and communication, perfect for your kitchen. On the other hand, the Fire TV 32-inch is a budget-friendly smart TV that provides access to a plethora of streaming services, making it an ideal choice for entertainment. Let's delve into their features, pricing, and overall value to help you decide which one suits your lifestyle best. The Amazon Echo Show 21 features a sleek and modern design that integrates seamlessly into any kitchen or family room. Its 21-inch Full HD display is perfect for viewing recipes, video calls, and streaming content. In contrast, the Amazon Fire TV 32-inch sports a more traditional television design suitable for various living spaces. While the Echo Show is designed for interaction and organization, the Fire TV focuses on providing a straightforward viewing experience. The Echo Show 21 excels in functionality, serving as a central hub for home organization, video calling, and smart home control, all while offering streaming capabilities through Fire TVs. Its customizable widgets allow users to manage their schedules, shopping lists, and more. On the other hand, the Fire TV 32-inch is primarily focused on entertainment, providing access to a wide range of streaming services and live TV without the need for cable. It is a dedicated device for viewing content, making it a great choice for those who prioritize entertainment. When it comes to pricing, the Amazon Echo Show 21 is positioned as a premium product at $399, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the Amazon Fire TV 32-inch is much more budget-friendly, priced at just $149. This significant price difference makes the Fire TV an attractive option for those looking for an affordable smart TV without sacrificing access to popular streaming services. In conclusion, both the Amazon Echo Show 21 and the Amazon Fire TV 32-inch serve unique purposes in the home. The Echo Show is ideal for those seeking a multifunctional smart display that enhances organization and communication, while the Fire TV offers a straightforward and affordable entertainment solution. Depending on your needs, either device could be the perfect addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.